the 2.1-kilometer road constructed by Zenco himself, which leads you straight to Intokbo as he gives his mother a befitting rest. Chief Cletus Uzezi Oragwa, who is the owner of Zenco Communication, is also the owner of General Beaters, as well as Romeo and Juliet Diapers. Zenco Communications are the foremost franchise owners of Technophones and all some of these Androids. In fact, in giving his mother a befitting rest, he brought the stars home. It was indeed nothing but a gathering of the super mega stars. Pepper then something from Davido to Flavour Nabania to Zlatani Bile, and of course Fino Fino, Casey Limpopo, all lots of them, including Umo Bilibu and even Anidons. And his kinsmen and friends had something to say about Zenco. Origo TV spoke with them.
I am now here, Zenco. Zenco now crowd. And if we have that, all the evidence, so Zenco will mother. Get through it. Ochina water, Noka. Ochina water. They Chapocho, Canada. No mother.
Just a start.